Hi, I'm Dr. Ramesh Babu. I'm a homeopathic consultant from Acure Homeopathic Clinic, which is in Jayanagar 9th Block, Bangalore. See, allergic rhinitis is a condition where it is a faulty response given by your body to the external allergens. And external allergen can be anything starting from the dust, pollens, pollution, smoke, pet danders, or even it could be because of the smell from the agarbathi or the perfume what you are using, or it can be anything. It's really very difficult to pinpoint what exactly you are allergic for. Usually the patient will be presenting with symptoms like sneezing, a running nose, blockage of nose, itching like sensation in the corners of the eyes or sometimes in the ears, or some tingling like sensation in the throat. And also they may have runny nose as well as watering of the eyes. There may be slight swelling in the eyelids, especially the lower eyelids. And sometimes there may be even postnasal dripping, in the sense that there will be a dripping of some thin mucus like thing from the back part of your nose into the throat, which initiates the cough usually. This is a condition which is clinically diagnosed. Just based on the symptoms what the patient is presenting with, we diagnose it. Most of the time just with the symptoms we do it. And there are some blood tests also which can be performed on a patient to see whether there is any increased level in the eosinophil count. And there are certain allergy tests also which can be performed, with which we can find out what the patient is allergic for. Homeopathic medicines are very effective in boosting up your immune system. And by doing this, the faulty response given by your immune system to the body for the external stimulus is brought under control. And once this is done, automatically the symptoms over a period of time, the frequency of the symptoms as well as the intensity of the symptoms keeps tapering down, and the patient is completely relieved from all the symptoms too. And in homeopathic treatment, it is a permanent cure what the patient will experience, and a symptom-free life. There are some patients who develop these symptoms due to the occupational hazards or occupational situations, where if a patient who is working in a cotton mill, if he is allergic for dust, he cannot completely avoid getting exposed to dust, which will still further worsen his complaints, and the treatment time is also prolonged for a longer time. So in such conditions, we advise the patient to switch over to some other job where he can avoid these kind of exposures, which helps in the faster recovery of the patient. Say for when you are traveling, it is good to use mask so that you can avoid the dust as well as the pollution. Keep your house dust free. At least once a month you can vacuum clean your house, which will help you to, which helps in bringing on the dust mites. And generally we take out the rugs only during the winters. And before using the rugs, it is better to go for a wash and then you can use it, which will help you to avoid allergic symptoms to a great extent. Smoking also worsens allergic rhinitis patients. Very simple thing is eat well, sleep well, keep your stress level under control, which helps your immune system to boost up well, and that should take care of the things.